Hello there and welcome to the channel. My name is Richard, I'm the Sofa Warrior. I'm going to talk to you today about Colin the camper. This is our camper van here, which the wife and I just bought. It's a Renault Traffic, Vauxhall Vivaro, Nissan 200 V200, I believe that's the same sort of vehicle. It didn't start out life as a camper van, it actually started out as a van. It's been converted by somebody in the past. We purchased this direct from a company that used to rent these things out to people for short holidays. So I would say it's professionally done, but most of the work was actually done for us. We got quite a bit of a bargain on it. I'm going to talk you through some of the things that we've done with the vehicle and what we're up to and where we're going. And today we're shooting off down to the south coast, down to St Margaret's Bay. We'll be stopping at the Coast Guard pub, which if you eat there, you can stay overnight in the car park in your camper van. So allegedly this is the nearest pub to France in the UK, and then we're shooting up towards Herne Bay later on tomorrow, and spend that Saturday and Sunday up there, come home back to work on Monday. So
The
have a
handy
look
thing
around.
to have would be some sort of shade. Now we've tackled this several ways. One of them was to buy a gazebo, which I got from Amazon for about £60. It's a pop-up gazebo, comes complete with all the sides, funny enough. It's not heavy duty, but it will do for for a day or so. But it does take a while to pop up. This, however, is a little bit easier. This is a fly sheet which I've secured to some brackets, which I've put up the top there where the roof bars would bolt into. There's some 10mm nuts actually in the roof panel, which you can put some L-shaped brackets in. They're clamped on with some carabiners, I think they're called, into the corners of the fly sheet. The fly sheet's then actually secured into these tent poles and then pulled tight and tensioned, and it gives a little bit of shelter. Now, I mean, it's quite sturdy, and it will put up with a little bit. I'm sure it wouldn't sit in there for a force 10 gale. However, it will keep the spits of rain off you and provide you with a little bit of shelter of an evening if you want to sit out in the sun. Just get some get a drink and get a nice evening in. Now, one of the biggest bugbears obviously is when you're in a motorhome or maybe just in a car camping, wild camping or anything like that, is basically where you stay. Is if you need to go anywhere, you've got to take your home with you. So what we've invested in is a bike rack, and these are horrendously expensive. This one's a branded type. It's a 2-bike carrier. I can't walk very far, but personally, because I've got sort of issues with my legs, but I can cycle given the opportunity. So to find this bike rack on Facebook Marketplace, absolute godsend, worth the journey to go and get. I've got 2 bikes on the back of the vehicle here. This carrier was actually made for a Vivaro, Renault Traffic, so ideal, and it's proper job. What you can do here as well, you can actually just open it up. It all swings open with the bikes on. There's quite a weight on the door. I would say it probably wouldn't do good to keep opening the door with the bikes on, but once in a while it's not going to necessarily hurt it, but there's going to be quite a bit of weight on the hinges there. But to get from A to B, an ideal solution to mobility actually on site. When you get there, take them off, but obviously you've got to make sure that you keep them locked, because some people will take them.